Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So as we are preparing for our upcoming trip for our vacation, my wife decided to get some fanny pack. Yeah, I haven't seen one of this since the 90s. But anyway, so this is called Travelon anti-theft security bag. And she got two of them, one for me obviously and one for her. So today I'm just gonna open it up and try it out. I don't know. Every time I think of fanny pack, like nobody looks cool on it. I know this is very functional, as they always are, but it just looks kind of weird, you know. Anyway, register your bag now, and there are obviously a lot of storage unit for your credit card and stuff. Oh, RFID. Okay, so if you put your credit card in here, no one can try to get it out using mobile device. So this is preventing RFID. So this is really good in terms of security concern. And here's one more pouch inside here. It feels really thick. There's more storage unit in the front. Now I like the zipper, because you have to, like, if anybody try to unhook this on the fly, it's not gonna happen very quickly. Because if you hook on the side here, it will take you a bit of time to get the zipper open, assuming that you have the bag on the back side. But I don't think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna have it on the front. So it's really easy to adjust. So one of my concerns is the buckle here. Now a lot of time the most easy way to grab and go is to unbuckle and then grab and then go. Now for this, it kind of sticking inside this opening here, so it's a little bit harder for someone to try to unhook the buckle. Not too bad. So I think this, what I'm gonna do is flip it to the front, carry it like this. I don't know. It kind of blend in with my shirt here. And let's see my wife's bag. Okay, so this look a little bit more like a purse. Now have a front opening here. Same deal. So the zipper is hooked on the side. So if someone who tried to unzip this on the fly, it's not gonna happen, which is good. The shoulder strap here, and also this RFID, preventing RFID. So we can put the credit card in here, and there's one more pouch inside. On the back, this is a big opening, and the hooks you put your shoulder strap on. All right, so you do have to flip it down in order to unlock. So more security prevention here. Alright, so here are the two travel bags side by side. Yeah, so I'm just gonna call them travel bag, not fanny pack anymore. Sounds a lot better. But anyway, I'm gonna go try them out and see how much stuff we can fit inside, security inside here, and then see how it looks. Alright, so we came back from our trip, and let me just say this. My thought about fanny pack, this waist pack here, is completely turned 180. Yeah, I really like it. So anyway, today let me just give you my thought about this too. For one thing, I'm not going to talk about too much about my wife's shoulder strap, because I really think that even though they about the same size in terms of how much stuff they can carry, well, granted, this one able to carry a little bit more just because how wide it is. I think the shoulder strap here is the main concern, security wise. All right, so this one is
Amazing. When we went out nowadays, I've seen a lot of people in Costco wearing one of this. They do like color matching, so it kind of blend in. So yeah, it doesn't look so much out of place. And then when we went overseas, there's even more people wearing it. So like I guess the more people wearing it, the less stigma it is for people to see you kind of out of place. Let me just go ahead and tell you like what really can hold inside here. First of all, the security feature here, the zipper, you can tie it down so it doesn't open when you're tied down. I don't have that much stuff in here now as when we were traveling, because when we were traveling, like we don't have anything in our pocket. Everything inside the packs here. Let's see, yearbooks, obviously I need one of this in the airplane. 4 passports and all credit cards and driver license and stuff. And not only that, it doesn't even take up the whole space here. So there's still a lot of room left. And there are even more space inside here and the zipper. And also there's a light. Isn't that cool? Like this light, if it's dark, you can just press it and then you can see what's inside. So I can put on the pocket in front of it, the smaller one with phone, battery pack, and also a USB cable. When you have a lot of stuff inside here, you definitely need one of those lights to kind of see what it is that you're looking for. And there's one more pocket in front of it too. Look at this. Like, I really think there's a lot of stuff I'm carrying as it is, but look at how small the pack is. Typically, people wear it around their waist. That's what people would do. But I found it much easier because on the waist side, you had to unbuckle. Speaking of buckle, like there's a button here, a security button. So if you pull it up, the buckle cannot be unbuttoned. So you have to push it down and then unbuckle and then put it around your waist, adjust the belt, and then make it secure. But what I found it much easier is just put it on top of your shoulder. Like so. So yeah, see how simple it is? I don't even need to unbuckle or just do one adjustment and then every time I just put it on and ready to go. Now what makes this even better is I can put my arm around here, so extra security, you know, like when you're out, just in case if anybody with a big old scissor like cut your strap and then yank it, you can still have your hand here to block them. Because it's right in front of me, getting things out becomes much easier. So yeah, it's much more convenient to me anyway. I found it much more convenient to just put on my shoulder instead of my waist. So yeah, this is really cool. I really enjoy it. Yeah, my thought about the fanny pack has turned 180 to say the least. So anyway, if you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.